In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to motion track text to a moving object in After Effects. By the end, you'll know how to attach text so it follows an object naturally throughout your footage, even if it moves around the frame. We'll start by setting up the project. Import your video, then drag it onto the new composition icon or drop it into an existing comp. Next, create the text you want to track using the text tool by pressing T on your keyboard, then type your title or label. Position the text roughly where you want it to appear at the start. Don't worry if the styling isn't perfect yet. Font, size, and color can be adjusted later, and it won't affect the tracking process. Before we track anything, add a tracking target with a null object. Go to Layer, New, Null Object. Renaming it to something like Track Null is optional but helpful for staying organized. A null object doesn't render in the final output. It simply holds the motion data that your text will follow, which keeps the workflow clean and flexible. Now let's track the object in your footage. Select the video layer in the timeline. Open the Tracker panel by going to Window, Tracker, then click Track Motion. You'll see a track point appear on your video. Move it over a high-contrast detail on your moving object, such as a logo, corner, or sharp edge. In the Tracker panel, make sure position is checked. Enable rotation and scale only if the object rotates or changes size. You can resize the inner and outer boxes of the track point to fine-tune the feature and search areas. When you're ready, click Analyze Forward. Watch the track as it progresses. If it slips, stop, reposition the point, and continue analyzing. Once tracking is complete, apply the data to the null. In the Tracker panel, click Edit Target and choose your null object. Click Apply and confirm both X and Y dimensions. After Effects will create keyframes on the null that match your object's movement. Scrub through the timeline to confirm the null follows the object accurately. Finally, connect your text to the tracked motion. In the timeline, use the parent and link column to whip the text layer to the null object. The text now inherits the movement. You can offset its position after parenting to adjust where it sits relative to the object. For extra polish, consider enabling motion blur on the text to better match the footage. Preview the result, tweak the text styling if needed, and you're done.